This is Operation Get Ethan's Tooth Out, round 2. He is currently tied to the garage door with dental floss, and the other end is connected to his tooth. And he's going to shut the door whenever you're ready.
Ready.
Okay, go. Did it work? No?
Nope.
Okay, we'll just... We have to tie you to the door again. Hold on. Hold on. Come here.
Now it's time for round 3.
Yeah, round 3.
And then round 4.
Sure.
But if this doesn't work, I will have another idea.
What would that be?
That would be tying it to the light bulb
And then?
and then pulling the rope down.
Open here.
Chloe's on your grass.
It's okay. Chloe, come here. Okay. This is round 3. Are you ready? Okay, shut the door.
It came out!
Woohoo! Are you okay? Smile. Smile for the camera. Yay, Ethan!